All right. Hey, Twitch, say hi to YouTube. YouTube, say hi to Twitch. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Next, take this game off. Okay. We're here. We looked at the YouTube, or we looked at our chess.com year in review. We looked at Twitch year in review. Now, we about to look at Chessable. And I actually waited to do this, guys, to do this review with you guys, because it's actually like they gave it to me in my email and they're like, hey, you know, do your review thing. I'm like, okay, all right, cool. But I wanted to actually do it here to show you guys, you know, how much work we're actually doing. So let's go. Let's click start. And here we go. Okay, perfect. My favorite courses. All right, cool, cool. I haven't even looked at this. So let me move me away over here. Should be good. So I'm apparently top 2% in Chessable stats, says Chess Pawn. Okay, so here's my favorite courses, and we'll talk a little bit about this stuff here, like improve your calculation. I don't know how this was one of my favorites. I have no idea because this book was stupid hard and I only went through it once. So I don't know how they actually even rated this. But I did go through it. I went through this one as well. This one was really hard. This one's really hard. Chess Play Quick. How is this my favorite course? Oh, okay. I spent a lot of time in a day, so that makes sense. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Jobava London. Okay, yeah, that's definitely, okay. All right, that makes sense. I know a lot about the semi-slot, believe it or not. I went through this course. All right, your rank for, oh, that was it. So that's all of them. That's just my top courses. That is surprising to me. Definitely we could take this one off because that was an event. Wow, I really spent a lot of time through these. And these are calculation, aka, wow, I guess this is just not just the branding, but this is a part of me. I spent a lot of time in these calculation books. Chess Play Quick, Jobava London, obviously, Jar Jar Binks. We got that now. We got the best Jobava course now. Shout out to my OG Simon. I went through this semi-slop course. This was fire. And I actually do know how to play the semi-slop, but I just don't want to. But this is a very good course. Very good course. Okay, rank for 2023 is legend. This is my Chessable rank. I'm a legend now. There's like, I click this thing. Yeah, I need 34 million more points.
He needs some milk.
34 million. I'm sorry, 34. Let's be accurate. 34,834,180 more points before I get this eternal rank thing. So I don't even be paying attention. I just work because that number is ridiculous. What's your favorite Chessable book for improving calculation tactics? Well, there's always, and I'm gonna do this in my in one of my Chessable courses, but it's gonna be like what does it say? The like the order of books to go through in Jedi calculation school, COE school as we call it here, as Jedi do. It's forcing chess moves, right? Forcing chess moves. I went through that book probably 4 times. OTB actually, and then I had the Chessable version. So yeah, it's a nice one. And then you have books that you graduate into after you read that book many times. Calculation by Jacob Agard, that's one of them too as well. It's one of them. Maybe you can do them interchangeably. Maybe start with that one, go with forcing chess moves, but you need forcing chess moves. That's a mandatory thing. So you have earned 8 million points this year. Nice. I'm in the top 1% of Chessable users. I mean, they said it, not me. Like, I'm just reading it. Okay, the place in the so top 1% of Chessable users. Nice. Okay, that's nice. That's a nice stat. I appreciate it. Appreciate the love there. Appreciate it. Like, yes. Okay, let's see the next one. I've studied 365 days. Wow. Yeah, how many days are in a year? I'm just interested. I have studied for 365 days in a row. I wonder how long that is. Anybody do math around here? My math wizards in the chat. 1,512 day streak? Yes, sir. Up there. Right above me, as you see. That is a 1,512 day streak. 365 days studied. That's a full year for your boy. Places in the top 1%, 100%. Of course. I'm 100% in the top 1%. Like, come on. Next, for a total of, oh my goodness, 420. I need a day job, my guy. Like,
he needs some milk.
Wow. I don't do nothing else. I don't do anything else. I don't do anything else. This is my day job. Just over an hour. Adjustable every day. Just over an hour every day. Yeah. 424 hours. That's a lot of time. I'm 1% once again. Fire. Maximum streak 365. Well, that's, that's like, I'm going through mine. Oh, nice, Ryan. Nice. OTB online. That's a good question. OTB again. 50. Online, up and down. I've gained. But they didn't have a stat for that. I'm just an online person. I'm scared to look at mine. Yeah, you have to look at this. You have to look at this. I've reviewed 3,000, almost 4,000 variations. This is nice. Okay, I reviewed. Wow, all right. I reviewed a total of 195,513 moves. Okay, let me see what the chat says. I spent 524 hours on Chessable. Ridiculous, Ryan. That's amazing study. Look at year-to-date chess.com stats. Oh, fire. I'm going to actually check that. See if I can find it. My accuracy is 98%. Okay. Keep up the good work. I think this is the last one, maybe. And here is my overview. Wow. Here we are. So they give you a nice little overview at the end. So 8 million points gained this year. So now I'm going to set a goal here to try to do like maybe double that. Good evening, young man. Thanks for a great session. What up? Seiko59. What up, bro? Looking at this Chessable stats for the year. 365 day streak. 424 hours, so maybe more hours, but I spent all hour. Moves. 195,000 moves. 152 courses studied. 365 days studied. 4,000 variations. And a 98% accuracy. Chat, let's go. Clap it up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Now, before we end the video, obviously, we do have to promote our course here on Chessable, which is the meanest Joe Baba London. Obviously, I'll link it in the description. You guys can grab that, boy. So, the meanest of the meanest of the meanest Joe Baba, which is right here on Chessable. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button.